Hey guys, it's Christine, also known as IvyWinter. I'm here in a brand new refurbished pop room, and if you haven't seen these rooms yet, I wanted to just take you around a little bit. There's a good echo in this room, which I guess is an interesting way to start off. It looks so different than normal pop rooms, but I loved it as soon as I walked in. Mind you, being from New York, where we have a lot of modern hotel rooms, going to a lot of European cities with a lot of modern hotel rooms, I'm used to the vibe. Some people might find it kind of sterile, but I kind of like it. So I am going to just take you around a little bit, just show you the new design. So before we even get to the rest of the room, I just want to talk about how heavy this door is. Now, I don't know. Oh, that is literally how hard I am pulling that. Like, that was me exaggerating. It is incredibly heavy door. I don't know if that's just because it's brand new and that just so happens to be what it is with, like, you know, new hydraulics and stuff, but it is rough to get in here. I honestly don't think a little kid could open that door. I'm not even kidding. So this is the room as a whole. This is kind of the design. We'll get a few more lights on here for you, but and there are a lot of lights. I will show you that. But very, very different. So you walk in, and over here you've got your little pantry area. So you can actually turn the light on here, and that turns on this backlight. And you've got a coffee maker, which is new for a value. You don't normally find that. You're not going to find that at the All-Stars. You've also got your mini fridge, but it doesn't have a freezer. So that could be a downside for some people because I'm pretty sure the old ones had a freezer. In this drawer here is your coffee stuff for the coffee maker. So you've got creamers and Joffreys and some lids for your cups so you can take it to go, and that's everything in there. You got your thermostat right here, which for some reason is off. We're gonna turn that bad boy on. Then you've got these brand new cool curtains. I like them because they're orange, and orange is my favorite color, so I'm into this mod look. Over here you've got like this interesting other little area. It's really interesting. And lots of outlets. If you didn't notice, there were 2 outlets on the other side here, and then you've got USB outlets, and there's even more as I go around. There is a little sign here about how to pull out the Murphy bed. I admit I'm not gonna do it for you guys because it would be a lot for me to get back up there, but the Murphy bed is in here. You would pull these out, and this cool little desk with my beer and my Cheez-Its folds up and in. Like, this goes in and it goes flush, and then the bed comes out here. So as a solo traveler, it's actually kind of nice to have this because I don't need the other bed. There's so much more space in this room for me, and a cool desk if I wanted to sit and work or like dump some footage on my laptop and do some editing. I could do that there. I've used the suitcase holder right here. They kept it stored over there, but they have one of those here. And then you've got this ginormous smart TV. It is so huge comparatively to like the other rooms. It's really, really nice. We'll turn this bad boy on just so you can see it for a second, because it is really nice. Sorry for the flicker, that's what happens with my camera. But this is your whole like vestibule area. Oh, there you go. So it looks really nice. Super beautiful color, good sound. It's pretty legit. You've got more outlets. So we've got 2 outlets to USB and 2 outlets to USB. You'll never be out of outlets in this room. You've got all kinds of drawers and stuff to hold your things. And here is your safe. Extra pillows, which is kind of crazy when you think about it, and here's why. If you come over to the bed, first of all, really high off the floor. I noticed this when I was sleeping in it. Might be tough for little kids, but the nice part about that is you've got space underneath if you want to just throw a load in underneath there. That said, for some reason, and I get that there's a Murphy bed, so you need to put some extra pillows there. There are 8 pillows on this bed, which basically means I guess there would be 4 pillows for each bed. I just slept in all of them, not gonna lie, because why not? You've got this little area here where I've been charging my phone. This turns on this light. This turns on a light that goes above. Like, there's a lot of interesting lighting here. On the other side, you also have another light that you can turn on for the other person on the other side. I have a connecting room. I do have a neighbor. I've heard them. Their alarm is the Pirates theme song. So then you come in here, you've got, you know, your coats and stuff. And you come in here to the bathroom and really, whoa, look at the brightness of that. That is one crazy light. I mean, it's really picking it up right now. Oh, there we go. But there you go, my camera didn't even know what to do with that. Really awesome lighting, really, really bright. For someone like myself who does my makeup and stuff, it's great for that. But they also have a makeup mirror with a light if you want that, ladies. Over here you've got, you know, your ironing board. In here you've got your iron. Also that's where the hairdryer was, but cleaning left it there. You've got some extra tissues and toilet paper. And you know what's really great about this, you guys? No more creepy light. It just turns on like a normal light. It's amazing. The shower opens both ways, which is cool. It's glass, which makes it look really fancy. It's got a shower head similar to the moderates. I'm not sure. I assume that the deluxes have this as well, but I can't remember honestly. Which is, you've got the overhead shower head and the movable one. So that's really cool. You've got a fan or a vent that, at least to me, as far as I can tell, always is on. Which I guess is nice because it doesn't make it crazy in here, but it makes me really cold when I get out of the shower. This is a door here that has a nice cool lock on it that you can close. And then you can also completely close this. It is not a curtain like the other values are. It is a full door, which is really awesome if you don't want to bother someone else while you're like getting ready to go to bed or whatever. So that's pretty much it. That's the entire room. Like I said, very sleek, very modern, looks really different. Outlets as far as the eye can see. I mean, you've got 2 more here and 2 more there, and you know, 2 more in here, and you'll never run out of outlets, basically. So that's it. That's the room. I would say I'm a pretty big fan of the rooms. I think they're really nice. I mean, look at this sink. Look at this really big, spacious sink. I think it's great. I think it's totally was worth the wait of, you know, the refurbs. And again, most of the sections are refurbed now. So the only one that's not, I believe, is 50s, and you can, or is it 50s or 60s? No, it's 50s. And if you're in there, you can probably ask for a refurb room. If they have it, they'll put you in it. Like, they're not gonna argue that with you. So that's it. Just a quick look at the room. You know, this is only my second full night being in it, but so far so good. For me as a solo person, really spacious, really nice. And I like the decor. I'm big on orange. I just think it's cool that they have like the orange and blue. Like, to me, that's a really nice color scheme. And so far, it's been good. The bed's comfy, you know, what you'd expect. And that's it. I think my only qualms literally are that door is something else. That door is something else. And I think that's really it. I mean, everything else so far has been really great. I think also the fact that the fridge doesn't have a freezer could be a downside, but really cute area. So if you are staying in Pop, get one of these refurb rooms. I don't think you're gonna regret it.